Hello everyone, my name is Matt and we will be learning about the state capitals today. As you can see here in this big picture of the United States, you can see all the state capitals. The state capitals are circled with this little black mark. And as you can see, there's no real method to memorizing these other than just hard work and practice. So today I have some flashcards and we're going to be playing a game called I Have, Who Has. So the point of this game is to memorize the capitals of all the states. So if I was going to play, I would say, I have the first card. Who has the capital of Indiana? And whoever had the capital of Indiana, which is Indianapolis, would read back, I have Indianapolis. Who has the capital of Kansas? And then the game would just go on from there. And the game will be played in two groups, and each group will get 10 cards with I have and who has on them. And the first group to complete all 10 cards will be the winners of the activity. And looking again here, there's no real method to memorize where the state capitals are in the state other than looking at a map. Because you can see in states such as Kansas, the state capital is all the way over on the right side of the state, or Nebraska, where the capital is on the bottom, or Nevada, where Carson City is all the way in the west. But then there are some states like Illinois and Indiana where the state capital is right in the middle. So after this activity, the winning team will move on and they'll keep playing. And then the losing team will write out the state capitals with the states, and they'll write out each state, and then next to it, they'll write out each capital. And the point of this is to be able to memorize and learn how to spell all of the state capitals, because spelling is also important in this activity. If the students misspell any of the words on the paper, they'll have to restart. And once each student does complete the little mission of writing out each state with the state capital next to it, they'll be asked to play the game again. As you can see here, some of the state cards are right here. So let's play one round as an example. Okay, I have the first. Okay, I'll do a different state. I have Topeka. Who has the capital of Florida? What's the capital? The capital of Florida is Tallahassee, so I would read, I have Tallahassee. Who has the capital of California? And it would go so on from there. So that is the activity that we'll be doing today, and yep, that's it.